Toys play a big role in our lives. They are more than just fun. Toys help children learn and grow. They spark creativity and imagination. They also teach important skills. Many of us have a favorite toy from childhood. It might be a teddy bear or a toy truck. These toys stay with us in our memories. They remind us of happy times. Toys are also important for social development. They teach kids how to share and play together. They help children learn about the world around them. Understanding how toys are made can be fascinating. It helps us appreciate them even more. In this video, we will go inside a toy factory. We will see how toys are made from start to finish. The first step in making toys is choosing the right materials. Different toys use different materials. The most common ones are plastic, fabric, and wood. Each material has its own benefits. Plastic is very popular for making toys. It is durable and versatile. Plastic toys can come in many shapes and colors. They are often used for action figures, dolls, and building blocks. Fabric is another common material. It is soft and safe for babies and toddlers. Fabric is used for stuffed animals, dolls, and soft toys. It can be easily washed and is gentle on the skin. Wood is also used in toy making. It is strong and long-lasting. Wooden toys are often seen as more traditional. They are used for puzzles, blocks, and educational toys. Wood can be carved into many shapes. Choosing the right materials is important. It affects the toy's quality and safety. Manufacturers think carefully about which materials to use. Once the materials are chosen, the manufacturing process begins. This process has several steps. Each step is important to make a high-quality toy. The first step is designing the toy. Designers create sketches and models. They decide how the toy will look and work. This step involves a lot of creativity. Next, the materials are prepared. For plastic toys, this means melting plastic pellets. The liquid plastic is then poured into molds. These molds shape the plastic into the desired form. For fabric toys, patterns are cut from large rolls of fabric. These pieces are then sewn together. Wooden toys are carved and assembled. After the basic shape is made, details are added. This can include painting, adding buttons, or attaching eyes. Each detail makes the toy unique. Workers pay close attention to these details. Finally, the toys are assembled and tested. They are put together and checked for any defects. This step ensures that each toy is perfect before it leaves the factory. Section 4. Quality control and safety measures. Quality control is a crucial part of toy making. It ensures that toys are safe for children. Factories have strict standards to follow. Each toy must meet these standards before it is sold. The first step in quality control is testing the materials. They must be non-toxic and safe for kids. Factories test for harmful chemicals and other hazards. Next, the toys are tested for durability. They must be able to withstand rough play. This includes dropping, bending, and pulling tests. Toys that break easily are not safe for children. Safety measures also include checking for small parts. Toys for young children must not have small parts that can be swallowed. Factories use special tools to measure the size of parts. Finally, each toy is inspected by hand. Workers look for any defects or issues. They make sure that each toy is perfect. This step is very important. It ensures that only the best toys reach the market. Section 5. Conclusion. Making toys is a complex process. It starts with choosing the right materials. Then, the toys are designed, manufactured, and tested. Each step is important to make sure the toys are high quality and safe. Toys bring joy and learning to children. They are a big part of childhood. Knowing how they are made helps us appreciate them more. It shows the hard work and care that goes into each toy. We have explored the inside of a toy factory. We have seen the steps involved in making toys. From start to finish, it is an interesting and detailed process. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you found it informative and fun. Section 6. Call to action. Thank you for watching our video on how toys are made. We hope you enjoyed learning about this fascinating process. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have many more informative videos coming up. By subscribing, you won't miss any of them. Feel free to leave a comment below. Let us know what you think or what topics you want us to cover next. Thank you again for watching. We look forward to bringing you more exciting content. Until next time, keep playing and learning.